and welcome to this episode of ChinAfrica 360. I'm your host, Bridget Mutambirwa. Since the outbreak of COVID-19, all social sectors in China have responded quickly. The fight against the pandemic at community level has played an important role to help contain the disease. In various communities, residential areas, and densely populated places, such as railway stations, some citizens have built out a team of volunteers to offer services to people. They check body temperature, register health information of tenants, and even deliver vegetables to residents. For more than 1 month, their hard work has contributed to the prevention and control of the pandemic. Many foreigners also participated in this volunteer work. I'm at a residential community in Beijing. An African volunteer is working here. He's Ali from Niger.
And I've been in Beijing for almost 11 years now. Basically, I'm here to help the foreigners living in our community, because as you know, our community is one of the famous in this area of holding many foreigners. From the beginning, there were only Chinese people living in the community, the assistants and everything. And then after that, they had an idea of putting foreigners too, to assist foreigners. So that's why I decided to join this and contribute. Our job basically is give guidance and advices, and we also have to avoid contact with people. I would say what has been done here is an amazing job. I'm not trying to prize China or something, it's just what I see. Because if you have checked recently, the numbers are really dropping.
After the outbreak of the pandemic, many African students chose to stay in China. Some of them volunteered to participate in the community service work and helped local people contain the pandemic.
This is Munyaradzi Gurure from Zimbabwe at Guangxi University of Finance and Economics. He volunteered at the Yulin railway station in South China's Guangxi-Zhuang Autonomous Region. His main job was to guide the passengers in and around the station, disinfect areas of the train station, especially the facilities that are frequently used by passengers. Munyaradzi and his friends also decided to make a song that would encourage and uplift the people of China and the world. He wanted the song to captivate various audiences, as well as appreciate the brave people who are risking their lives to fight against the spread of the virus.
I think China has rapidly adopted effective isolation measures. A large number of medical staff have taken the initiative to join the treatment, and many people have donated materials for epidemic prevention. I see strong nation cohesion.
I just want to do what I can to help prevent the spread of the infection. That is why I volunteered.
More Africans participated in this voluntary exercise. In Tianzun village in Shijiazhuang City, North China's Hebei province, a team of 40 volunteers was organized to help contain the disease. Among them is Gina Kime from the Democratic Republic of Congo, who is married to a resident of the village. Kime volunteered to join the team on February the 2nd. Her tasks in the team are distributing leaflets on the streets, cautioning villagers who wander around, delivering masks to the elderly who live alone, and maintaining hygiene in the village.
Chinese people appreciate African volunteers for what they have done. During a daily briefing, spokesperson of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Geng Shuang, said, "At this crucial juncture, our African friends have given us strong support and showcased our brotherhood through thick and thin." Some African students in China volunteered to go to the front line of this battle against the pandemic or worked at train stations as volunteers. We believe that through the trial of this pandemic, China-Africa friendship will grow even deeper, and the China-Africa community with a shared future will emerge stronger. That's all for this episode of ChinAfrica 360. Until next time, goodbye and zaijian.